Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own password word lists. So without getting any delay, let's start. So guys, if you have asked me why we need to create our own password word lists, so let's take a scenario like my previous video where you got access to a password hash, and in order to crack it you need a good word list. And remember, every time all default passwords don't work or the rocky.txt file won't work, so you need to create your own word list in order to crack something like in order to brute force a login page, or in order to crack a password hash, uh, crack a Wi-Fi password, anything. Okay, password word list can be used in an endless way. So this video is a quick demonstration on how you can create your own password word list. So guys, I'm using my Kali Linux machine, so you can feel free to use your own Linux distribution of your choice. Okay, but I don't know whether it's installed or not, whether these tools are installed or not. So our first tool will be Crunch. So this is So this is an inbuilt tool that's available within Kali Linux. If it's not available, go with your package manager name, install, and the Crunch. So the syntax is really simple. So you need to specify the Crunch, you need to specify the minimum number of characters, maximum number of characters. You can specify the possible values, possible letters that can be within the word list, and you can also specify the outcome, where you need to store the values. Where you need to store all these values in a particular text file. So let me give you a quick demonstration. So let me type Crunch. I think it's right. Okay. So let the minimum number of characters be 3 and the maximum number of characters be 4, and let the all the available words be A, B, C, or you can extend it up to. Okay. So what I'm doing is here, these are the minimum characters, these are the maximum number of characters, and also these are the letters that can be considered in order to create the word list. And I'm giving an output file. Let this be word list hyphen crunch.txt. Let me hit enter. So this is gonna generate 320 lines. So it's completed as well. So let me open my word list. So you can see, don't consider these things, these are serial numbers. Okay, so this created all the possible words that can be created using these characters. Okay, so this is this will take some time. Like suppose if you put 3 and 20 or like that, if you are creating a longer word list, this is gonna take some time, so be with patience. So, and there is also an option like you can specify your own pattern as well. So let's think if you had seen the password password that is being typed by your friend or any other guy, or any other guy. You had seen some there is something like Satvik within the password, which is from starting, and he typed some characters that you don't even know. So there is an option in Crunch where you can specify the number of character, where you can specify the pattern, so that it's gonna create the word list using that pattern as well. So let the minimum number of characters be 10 and also the maximum number of characters be 10. So we are only creating the word lists that are consisting of 10, the length 10. Okay, so and let's specify the, so he typed the password, he typed Satvik at starting, and let's think that he typed numbers that you haven't seen it. So let me give all the numbers. Okay, so these are all the possible numbers, and let me specify the pattern SATHVIK. So these are 7 characters now, and only characters we can specify are most characters we can specify are 3 characters, because the length becomes 10 with this thing. So the reason why I specified at the rate of is the at the rate is like an escaping character here. So all these characters get included within these at the rates only. So I'll show you. So, and I'm gonna save this word list satvik.txt. Let me hit enter. So this is gonna create some 1000 lines. So let me open it. Word list Satvik. So you can see that Satvik is included in the password, and also within the 3 @ or the and the next 3 characters are specified by the characters we specified here. So it's gonna include only 120 or 1290, etc. So you can use this word list as well in order to crack a password. So guys, this is how you can create a word list using a crunch. So if you're having any doubts, feel free to comment below. And the second tool I'm gonna display over here is common user passwords. This is gonna be really interactive, and most of the time this helps you in cracking the stuff. So open your browser and type CUPP GitHub. So yes, common user password profiler. This is really a cool tool that's written, and this is available in the GitHub. If possible, I will provide you the link for this in the description below as well. So guys, so let's clone this thing. Click on code, copy this thing, and open your terminal, clear your screen, type git clone and paste the GitHub link for this. And this is gonna take some time, and we are done. So now you can see something like CUPP available over here. So let's navigate to the directory, and let me hit ls in order to view all the files. So the main file we need to run over here is this Python script, cupp.python.py. okay, so let me use /cupp.py. Let me specify -help so that we can view all the things. Okay, so here the main thing is -i interactive. So when you specify the -i, this is gonna ask some questions like what's his name, what's his wife name, what's his pet name, and everything like that. And even this is gonna show some more cool things like a word list and etc, etc. So let's create a simple word list. Let our target name be Ram. Okay, let me hit -i. So this is gonna give you a command an interactive shell. Let the name be Ram. Let me hit enter. Let the surname be Rom. Okay, and the name be nickname be Ram. I can specify the birth date as well. 2012 2000. Okay, hit enter. Partner's name, if it's not there, simply hit enter. If you don't know it, simply hit enter. Partner's name, if you don't know, simply hit enter. Birth rate, if you don't know, simply hit enter. Child's name, hit enter. If you know, you can specify it, or you can simply hit enter. If he is having a pet name, let this be Captain. And let's think he's working in a company for Tesla. Okay. And it's asking about do you want to add some more keywords. So if you want to add it, you can specify Y. Let's see what will please enter the letter separated by comma will be removed, spaces will be removed. So let's think he's having some favorite words like null shock, and also some cool things like hacker. And it's also asking us whether we want to specify the special characters. Make sure you hit Y, but I'm not gonna do this because this is going to take some time, because most of the time people use special characters, so you can use it as well. And do you want to add some random numbers at the end of the word? If you need it, you can, or else I'm gonna. So lead mode, I don't know much about it. Okay, so it's gonna add 1337 at the end, I hope so. So I don't know much about it, but if you know it, you can please help me below, comment below. So I'm gonna hit N. So you can see that saving dictionary to ram.txt with 4383 words. Hyperspeed print, yes, because it's gonna do it much more faster. So guys, this is gonna take some time as well, because we are gonna create here 4000 words. So let's leave it for some time, or let me. So you can see I mentioned the pet name be Captain. Yeah, it's considering all the possible word list. And guys, I can give you a guarantee that if you specify the correct things, because most of the time a person uses the passwords that are related to his life. So whether it might be his wife's name, whether it might be his child's name or his pet's name or his own name. So this is gonna help you in creating a much more better word list. So I'm gonna hit Control C so that I'm gonna save some resources. So feel free to use it and make sure it completes. Make sure it completes. Okay. So, and one more cool thing is seglists. So you don't need to do anything. Simply type seglists GitHub. So seglist is one of the best GitHub repository which consists of all the possible word lists, not only the passwords but even for directory brute forcing or username brute forcing, anything. So you can definitely use this repository for good sake. You can see the discovery, you can see the passwords. If you hit on the passwords, you can see much more over here. So you can see a lot of dark web passwords, and yeah, you can definitely try this out as well. So you can simply click on this. You can simply click on you can simply click on Viewer. So you can simply copy all this stuff and you can paste it in your file. Okay. So guys, that's how everything regarding the word lists, and you can make use of this seglists as well, but don't consider always this seglists work. Okay. So because the user might not be using those passwords all the time. So guys, this is everything regarding how you can create your own password word list like a pro. So if you like this video or if you're having any doubts, feel free to comment below. I will help you out, or you can follow me on my Twitter so that you can reach me out there as well. So this is Satvik signing off.